Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel and happy July. It's my favorite month of the year. I have always loved July because I'm a Cancer. I was born July 22nd, so it's my birthday month, and it's also Eric's birthday. His birthday is July 5th. I thought this would be a really fun summer week to film because we're going on a trip this weekend. Actually, we might be leaving tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. It's gonna depend on Eric's work schedule. But anyway, we are going on a trip this week, and of course, I wanted to bring you all with me. But there's a few things I need to do to prepare for the trip. One is I need to get my nails redone. I'm actually really sad to be saying goodbye to this nail set. These are some of my favorite nails that I've ever had done. I think they are so cute, but they're grown out and it's just time for some new ones. And then I need to go to the store to get some gift wrap for Eric's birthday presents. Okay, so this is the before. And this is the after. I think they came out so pretty. I did a blue chrome. These are what I am calling my mermaid nails. Next up, I need to go to the grocery store to get a few things like I mentioned earlier. And while I'm there, I'm actually gonna get some of Eric's favorite junk food and treats. So it kind of started as a joke and now it has become a yearly tradition where on his birthday, I get him a bag of his favorite treats and junk food. Don't worry, I got him a few actual presents though that I'll show you guys later when I'm wrapping, but this is just kind of like a silly little tradition that we have going. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day. I totally meant to film more yesterday, but life just kind of lifed and got in the way. I got busy and distracted. But today I have been pretty productive. I walked on my walking pad downstairs, I took a shower, and now I'm starting to get ready and pack for our trip. What's even more exciting about this trip is since we're driving, of course, Miss Luna gets to go with us. Are you excited, Luna? Before I wrap them up, I want to show you guys what I got Eric for his birthday. So I got him a pair of these On Cloud tennis shoes. He loves these because not only are they good shoes, but they are Swiss. I love the little Swiss flag on the back of the shoe. I think that is so cool. And then I got him some workout clothes from this brand Legends. This is a really great brand for men's workout clothing, by the way. Actually, they might have women's clothing too, I'm not sure. I don't want to open everything because it's nicely packaged and I'm just gonna wrap it how it is. But these are the workout shorts that I got him, and I got him a shirt as well. And then as you guys saw yesterday when I was at the grocery store, I got him all of his favorite treats. I'm hoping all of this stuff will fit in this bag. Let's hope this will all fit. Maybe should have gotten a bigger bag. We'll see. Okay, I think this is gonna work out fine. I always struggle to know what size bag to get for gifts. Okay, perfect. And then I also got him this card that says, "Happy birthday to amazing you." On the inside, it says, "In a universe of infinite possibilities, I'm so glad that you happened." And then obviously I'll write like a nice little note for him right there. I added a little birthday pizzazz to the top, and I think that looks cute. I have to laugh because there are two types of people and somehow they always end up together in a relationship. So I'm type B. Here's all of my stuff just thrown onto the bed, getting ready to pack it. And then all of Eric's stuff is right here, nicely folded and organized. We're gonna share this suitcase right here. And I told Eric that I would pack and organize it because I like to do that. And I need to make sure that I have enough room for all of our stuff and our toiletries and whatnot. I think I should make it one of my mid-year resolutions to be a little bit better organized. So everything that I have to pack for like our toiletries and stuff, I just kind of throw over here, and I have to laugh because like this is my side and then this is Eric's. He has like two things and then I have a lot. All right, let me show you guys everything that I am bringing. I know it looks like a lot, but to me, it all makes sense. For driving, I can bring all of my stuff full-sized instead of having it smaller. So we have some sunscreen, perfume, face wash, shampoo, conditioner, chapstick. This has been my favorite one lately, the Labello. A few different eye drops, morning face lotion. This has SPF 30 in it. My nighttime moisturizer, body wash. Ladies, this stuff is amazing for razor burn. It is like the only thing that has worked for me, and it's pretty cheap on Amazon. Deep conditioner that I like to use in the shower after I wash my hair. This SPF 30 face lotion, we'll probably use this before we go to the beach. This is a spray conditioner that I use every time after I wash my hair. Luna's shampoo and conditioner. I'm assuming that we'll probably need to bathe her after we go to the beach, so definitely gonna bring this. Makeup remover, cleanser balm, my eye cream, all of my contacts. These are little makeup eraser towels that I use in the shower, my toothbrush, and toothpaste. Oh, and then I think I'm gonna bring this lotion too. All right, clothes are organized. I am feeling much better.
Is there anything I need to bring?
I don't think so. Everything should be in here. Did you hear my knee just pop really loud? Okay, Eric, I'm about to zip this up, then will you carry it downstairs, please?
I'll push down if you want to put that in.
Lift it like this way. I swear I did not put that much stuff in here. Okay, will you carry this, please?
Yeah.
I just ran up the stairs, but we have made it safe and sound. Let's check out our beautiful view. Oh my gosh, absolutely stunning. It is a perfect day out. Good afternoon, everyone. It is an absolutely gorgeous day out. There is seriously not a cloud in the sky. The water is so blue and pretty. I forgot to mention it in this vlog. So Eric grew up coming here to this townhouse in New Jersey. His grandparents bought this back in the 1970s, and although unfortunately they are no longer here with us, the house remained in the family. And so we are able to come out here and vacation here, which is just such a huge blessing. Eric is taking me to a better spot. This is Eric's grandparents' room. This condo has been in his family for about 30 years. Oh, wow. This is beautiful.
When I was young,
When you were young,
this island wasn't there. This would only show up at low tide. So we would wait for low tide, and then we would take a little boat out there and go play on that island, and then high tide would come in.
we've been here a few times before. Today we have just kind of had a slow morning, which has been really nice. We took Luna on a walk, and then I did get some work done. I finished editing my vlog from San Diego, and then I filmed a sponsored YouTube short, so I need to edit that, and then I will probably have my San Diego vlog go live tomorrow. But some plans that we have just for the rest of our time here: we want to go to Stone Harbor Beach. We're gonna obviously be watching the World Cup and then celebrating Eric's birthday. But yeah, we're just excited to have a relaxing few days. It is very needed. I don't know how many of you watched the video, or if you remember a few weeks ago I had a total crash out at Target because I just hated all of the bathing suits. They made me feel horrible in my skin. But today I am so happy because I found like 4 awesome ones. So I found this full set right here, tops and bottoms. these blue bottoms were just a pair of my own that I had already bought on the trip, but I found this top and I just love the print on it. It's very similar actually to what is on Luna's collar. I love the sun and the moon, and the back of this swimsuit is really cool too. I found this top that is actually really comfortable and also can go with the blue bottoms. And then the last one that I bought is just this plain gray one. I have black bottoms at home that I can pair this with, but I also just feel like gray kind of goes with everything. It was a successful day, Miss Luna. Oh, scratch the ear. Here's all of them so you guys can see the really pretty prints up closer. These are all either Roxy, Rip Curl, or O'Neill. They are from a store called She Be Surfin' in Stone Harbor. Highly recommend going. They had such an awesome selection of swimsuits. The bathing suits were a little pricey, I won't lie. Definitely a little bit more than I would have wanted to spend, but the quality of these swimsuits feels really good and they fit well. I'm so happy. So to me, it was well worth the money, and I am just so glad that I was not in tears in the dressing room because, yeah, I feel like I needed that. Yeah, he's visualizing.
It's like this is his favorite thing to do. He takes 2 deep breaths and then he does it, and he's going to the right.
I'm sitting outside now, and honestly, it is so hot. I genuinely don't think I'll be able to stay out here that long, but I wanted to come out and get some sunshine and read a little bit. Originally, we were gonna try to go to the beach today, but the East Coast is experiencing a major heat wave right now. Like, it's a really big deal. Like, people are having heat stroke and ending up in the hospital, and it's just becoming very hot here, and people are not used to it. I feel like it's different in places like Vegas where I grew up because people are used to the heat, but when you're not used to experiencing this high of a temperature, it can definitely be really damaging. And honestly, as I've gotten older, I don't even handle the heat as well as I used to, and I grew up somewhere very hot. So today we're just gonna spend a nice day relaxing. I slept in till like 9:30 today, which is unheard of for me. I never sleep in. Whenever I'm on vacation, I get so sleepy. I don't know why. Maybe because it's like my body feels like I can finally relax, so I actually sleep a lot. I don't know what that is, but yeah, on this vacation, I have slept so much, and I've even napped too. That's pretty much the little update for the day. And then tonight we are gonna go, I think, back to Stone Harbor for dinner. If you watched my last video, then you probably know that Eric did propose to me on this trip. Of course, I said yes. It was perfect, amazing, and a very special personal moment for us. Thank you so much, everyone, already for all of the well wishes for us in our future marriage. Now, of course, it was time to celebrate Eric's birthday as well as our engagement. Luna is so excited because her parents are getting married. I just finished getting ready for Eric's birthday dinner, and I must say I now have my new favorite accessory. As a celebratory dinner, we went to Primal by Mia in Cape May, and wow, was the food delicious. Really recommend coming here. You do have to make a reservation ahead of time, but it was delicious and the perfect way to end our trip. With that, I think I'm going to end the video here. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.